how to log out on Facebook on all devices. All you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application directly, and it will lead you to your home area, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go to your menu. On the bottom part, you'll see three dash lines there. For others, it's actually on your upper right. Tap on the three dash lines there and scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. So tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings and privacy, what I want you to do next is to tap on password and security there. Tap on that here and tap on password and security. On the bottom part, you'll see security checks section there. Tap on where you're logged in. Tap on that and tap on Facebook. Since we want to log out Facebook on all devices, tap on that. And here you will see all the devices that your account has been logged in, and tap on select devices to log out here. And if there's a lot of devices, just tap on select all and then tap on log out. And then are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected device, and tap on logged out. And basically that is how you log out Facebook on all devices. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.